Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill 48. S48 covers defining requirements, collecting, processing, and cleansing data. The goal is to prepare high-quality data for analysis. Follow the flow, define requirements, what you need, collect it, get it, process it, reshape it, and cleanse it, fix errors. You need to show you can turn raw data into a clean asset. Here is your cheat sheet. Define, use a data dictionary to agree on scope. Collect, use SQL or API to get the data. Process, use joins and aggregations to shape it. Cleanse, remove duplicates and handle missing values. Here is how to apply this tomorrow. Tech, write down your requirements before you start. Script, save your cleaning steps as a code script so you can run it again. Check, count the rows before and after. I started with 1000, removed 50 duplicates, ended with 950. Screenshots of this script and check your evidence. Use this STAR structure. Situation, analysis required merging data from 3 different systems. Task, I needed to create a unified dataset. Action, I defined the common schema. I collected data via SQL. I cleansed inconsistent customer ID to allow matching. Result, unified dataset enabled the first cross-department report. Reflection, I learned that cleaning takes most of the time but is essential for trust. For your major project, include a data preparation chapter. Draw a flowchart of your cleaning steps. Include a table of cleaning actions taken, what did you fix and why. This proves your data is valid and your analysis is trustworthy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices just like you who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.